Kaya grew up listening to the sounds of reggae echoing through her village. She didn't have much, but she had a voice that could move mountains and a guitar her grandfather made from scraps. People would gather to hear her sing, saying her songs reminded them of the greats, Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and Marcia Griffiths. She decided to share her voice with the world, one TikTok at a time. People from all over the world fell in love with her voice. Kaya's dream was coming true. Her music was inspiring millions. From her small village to the world stage, Kaya showed us that talent and passion can take you anywhere. Follow for more inspiring stories of dreamers around the world.